Ready to rumble. Thank you. Gracias, señor. I could make it worth your while. I have money.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
God damn. Hello?
Make sure you keep those doors locked. It's going to start getting cold out soon. These people are going to start looking for places to stay.
Bang, bang, right?
No, that is not yours, and you need to get off my property now. Get off my property.
We got another door checker. You got on masks and gloves. Looks like nothing but bad intentions here. Make sure you get your deliveries before these people do. This guy tries to come on this porch and steal, but luckily the lady was paying attention.
May I help you? Yes, get the fuck away.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. Does he really have the wrong house, or is he trying to break in?
Who's that?
Yo, who was you?
My bad. I thought this was the wrong house. I swear to God,
Yeah,
it's not what it looked like.
You got the
Oh
wrong
yeah,
one.
you at the wrong house, bro.
My bad.
Check this guy out. Somebody needs to come get their grandpa. He comes onto this porch shouting out a bunch of names. I'm not sure mean anything.
Grandpa, Mac, Donald, Ronnie, will be ready to rumble. Ronnie will be ready to rumble. Thank you. Gracias, señor, por favor. Adios, amigo. Te amo, Patricia. See you soon, Puppy, Nani, Shelly, Tara, Luke, Grandpa, Total. Alpha, Mega, Ben, ain't in. Check you soon, the creator. It was and is to come. I am he is I. Little Mickey.
Another unwanted visitor comes through with a strange request. He even offers money.
Yes, I would like to borrow some milk. If I could, please. I could make it worth your while. I have money.
Hello. Yeah, how many now? I'm taking your shit. If I take your shit, I'm gonna tell I have it in. If I take your shit, you have it in, won't you? Now come on here. I'm gonna take your shit before you. I'm taking your shit now. What? Take you have it in. Come on.
Hello?
Can I help you?
Hey, do you guys still have the stuff for garage sale?
We don't have anything for a garage sale.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm at the wrong house.
Uh-huh.
I think it's next door.
Hey, what's going on over there? Put that back, man. Knock that off. I'm on my way out to shoot your ass.
you doing? That's my stuff. Give me my stuff.
Try to be careful with what you leave visible in your yard. These thieves don't even care if you're around. This lady keeps on trying to open this door up. He seems to be a little out of it. Must be at the wrong place. I'm sure their child was pretty upset when they came outside. Don't forget to lock up those bicycles or place them inside, or just try to keep them out of sight.
Greensboro Police, come out and make yourself known. Greensboro Police, come on out.
Put your hands up. Let's
Come
go.
on out now. Step out.
All right, hands up and
Come
out.
on out.
All right. Walk out.
Walk them out this way.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Can't even celebrate the holidays without somebody trying to take your joy. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.